Well, hello everyone, and Happy New Year. I'm so glad that you guys are joining me in my kitchen today because I have made a delicious pork and cabbage stew in my slow cooker. Yeah, this is so delicious. It's thick and creamy, hearty and comforting. It's cabbage. I love cabbage any time of year. I always seem to eat it on New Year's Day though. I think it's a tradition, and I think originally it was that they would cook coins in the cabbage for good luck. I don't know, but I am just so excited to share this recipe with you guys. The full recipe will be in the description box below, so you can go check that out. But we've got to get started. I want to show you how to make this because it's that time to get cooking.
And I have here a 1 pound pork tenderloin that I have cut into small pieces, but you could do the same thing by cutting up a pork chop if you like. And now I'm just going to season with some salt and pepper. I have heated up some oil in my cast iron skillet, and I just want to get a good sear on the pork. Just searing both sides. Then I'm going to add about half of this pork to the bottom of my slow cooker. Then I'm going to cut up a cabbage, and I'm only going to use half of this cabbage, just cutting it into bite-sized pieces. Now I'm going to add half of that cut up cabbage. And then I have a whole onion that I have chopped. And 4 carrots chopped. And then I have 5 Idaho potatoes that I have peeled and cut. I'm going to mince 2 garlic cloves. Going to add a little bit more salt and pepper. And 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. The rest of the pork, along with the juice. And then the rest of the cabbage. One more pinch of salt and pepper. Then I have a can of cream of celery soup. And 1 can of cream of chicken soup. You could use both cream of celery or both cream of chicken. You could even use cream of mushroom if you want. Then I have 1 cup of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Then cover and cook on high for 6 to 8 hours.
Oh yeah, it is so full of flavor. That pork is tender. Oh yeah. All right, well thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a very happy new year. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.